What is going on, Cocoa Puffs? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I seem excited, it is because I am. I am here to officially introduce you to my 30-day Better Body Challenge. This is a challenge that I have created specifically for my beginners. It took me a long time to put this together. I just wanted to take a second to tell you why I wanted to make this challenge. And I'm going to try not to cry because you guys know that I am a crier. I am a professional at crying. I cry if I see a pretty sunrise. Okay, so I created this challenge because I watch a lot of YouTube, and there's a particular girl that I love and watch, and she used to be an actress, but she decided to stop acting and to start doing her own projects. And I watched her for a really long time, and she was just fun to watch. And then one day she just came on camera and she was really upset, and she was just talking about how things weren't going well for her. And everything she said, I was like, yeah, I understand. I feel you. I get where you're coming from. But then she said something that just completely rocked my world. She was like, I feel like my body is holding me back from my purpose. And I was like, it shook. You know when somebody says something and you feel it in your body? I felt it in my body because I was like, oh my God, this is this talented, beautiful, amazing person that I love so much, and she feels like her body is preventing her from doing the things that she's supposed to be doing on this earth. That just helped me realize that I can make something to help people like her. I've noticed that a lot of workout programs are not usually about helping you as a beginner to succeed. A lot of workout programs, and this is no shade, I'm just saying honestly that I think that a lot of workout programs are about making things as hard as possible to make you suffer and sweat. But as a certified personal trainer that has actually gone to learn what this whole fitness thing is about, I can tell you that as a beginner, it's not about pushing yourself to the max. That's not necessarily what it's about. As a beginner, there are certain things you can take advantage of that don't involve killing yourself trying to work out. So I just wanted to make something just for you guys. And this, again, it's not one of those workout programs where like you pay $50 and then you get a PDF with pictures. You actually get a workout schedule with full-length workout videos that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Nobody's going to be looking at your panty lines at the gym with this program because you do all your workouts at home. You can invite a friend to your house if you want. You can do it on your own. It's however you want to do it. One of the best things about this program is that you're never guessing about anything. Everything is step by step. The workout guide is step by step. The meal guide is step by step. Everything is step by step. You have all the support you need directly from me, and also through the Facebook group and also the Instagram hashtag. You are never alone on this challenge. The other cool thing about this challenge is that you are not going to be starving. There is nothing like, oh, you can't eat bread, because seriously, bread is delicious. On this challenge, you have guidelines that will help you to eat better, but you're not going to have to throw out all your favorite foods and start eating quinoa and kale chips. We're not doing that on this challenge. So if you haven't checked it out already, I strongly encourage you to read all about it and sign up. So that's what this program is about. That's who it's for. And I know somebody's going to ask me, is it free? No, it's not free, but it's more affordable than paying the price of living your whole life feeling like you're not 100% of who you were meant to be. I think in comparison to continuing to live the way you've always lived, I think that it's a worthwhile investment. And one of the reasons it's not free is because I need to know that if you get into this challenge, it's because you are serious. Because when you get in, I'm very serious about helping you succeed. And so if you're interested, click the link below. I have also included a coupon code. That coupon code will be expiring soon. I don't know when this video will go up, so I can't tell you exactly when the coupon will be expiring, but it will be expiring soon, and I strongly encourage you to take advantage of it and let me help you change your life. Join my 30-day Better Body Challenge, and I'll see you inside.